do. Every way that you look in the city, there's something exquisite you'll want to visit before the day's through. There are buildings tall and lots of trees, restaurants, libraries, palaces, 100 strong. There are wonders that we've never seen. It's all blue and it's all green. We found a place where we belong. I wanna be in the spotlight, so I'll be there for good someday. And make my way. We'll wander and enjoy. One short day in the Emerald City. One short day to have a lifetime of fun. One short day and we're born in the city. Now that we're in here, you know we've been here before we are done. Whose major itinerary is making all us merrier? Who's the sage? Who's sagely sailed in to save our posterity? Who's in this for hot air Bonneville? Has all of us on the release. Isn't he wonderful? A wonderful wizard. One short day in the Emerald City. One short day to have a lifetime of fun. On our way to be seeing the city. There's somebody wrong too. We'll call it home too. And then just like now we can say, we're just two friends, two good friends, two best friends, sharing one wonderful one short. See you now.
I really want to thank everybody for coming and celebrating our engagement with us. I really appreciate a lot of you have come from very far away. And so I love that all of my really close friends and family are here. And my dad's falling asleep.
Call them out.
But thank you everybody for coming. Make sure you eat all the food. Desserts in the back. I promise I didn't poison it. Thank you.